Add that to the list of times I almost died. Hello. Yesterday, Saturday, me, Reagan, Riley, and Shree were gonna go do 4 different things. We were gonna do Angel's Billabong, Broken Beach, Kelingking, Tembeling Springs. We went to the first one, Angel's Billabong, natural infinity pool kind of thing that goes out to the ocean, or like the edge is the ocean. We went down into the water, and it's really, the rocks are like really sharp and jagged everywhere. There's no smooth rocks anywhere. And I'll take turns taking pictures. We're there for a long time. It's totally calm. There were no waves. We were almost done. Shree had just climbed back up. This massive wave comes over and clobbers us against the rocks. And Riley was holding my phone at the time, and I just saw her go under, holding my phone like way up above the water. I got like railed against the rocks, like really bad. Like my back got scratched up a ton, and I was just in so much pain. And then 2 more waves came up. So we're trying to like gather Reagan's glasses and shoes, because like nobody has the right number of shoes. And we're getting smashed like underwater against these rocks. Riley like pulled my braid while I was underwater at some point. It was super chaotic and super scary and so painful because the rocks were so sharp. It was literally a miracle no one hit their head, that no one got a concussion. But I'll input some like pictures of all of our wounds. After the 3rd wave, we finally managed to climb back up before like the next wave came. Reagan lost her glasses. We were bleeding all over the place. Like we were covered, and there was a ton of people like watching up above. And I wish we would have asked if someone had taken a video of it, because it was terrifying. It was one of the most traumatic things I've probably been through. And our taxi driver came over. He was so nice, brought us over to the bathroom area and like helped rinse off all of our blood, because we were just kind of like shell shocked. We were like, we need to just go back to the hotel, or like where we're staying. We can't go to the other places. Some of our coordinators went to the hospital and picked up hydrogen peroxide, that like yellow cleaning liquid, and then ammonium. He like spent an hour cleaning us all up, making sure that we weren't gonna get infected.
Yeah, we can't shower. It feels nasty.
Didn't do really anything yesterday. We went out to eat at Sunny's Cafe. Kind of planned this weekend because we're gonna go back to Bali and we're gonna get tattoos. My first tattoo. Gonna get a little turtle on my wrist. I have not told my parents about that yet. That'll be interesting. It won't be big. It'll be small. We have like 5 days left, and we can't really get wet. We have to let ourselves heal a little bit first. We definitely can't go in the ocean for a couple days, which is really unfortunate. It is what it is. Can't do anything else about it right now, and it's definitely a story.
That's not I was talking on the phone. That's not a good idea, but there's a banda or lightning, yeah.
He's so cute. It's cool. He's gonna cry. We're enjoying our performance.
Finally got the large.
Right.
got my ice cream, I got my sunset.
Don't drink any other kind of tea.
You know, this is going to be the vocals on the videos they're taking.
Hi, Sarah's video. Why in the video? No.
Sarah, did you ever get rid of those crabs?
Yeah.
What?
Don't be silly. She caught crabs for the turtles. What about the herpes though?
Did you take your 8 medication today?
Great audio that I will for sure come back to. There it is.
Is it worth it?
No.
Hello. So I never really finished vlogging. I'm currently at the airport in Tokyo, halfway through my 10-hour layover here. Let's see, what do I need to recap? On Thursday this week, 7 of us, me, Riley, Reagan, Luis, Shri, Vicky, and Christina, we had 4 things. So we just hiked down all the way there. It's very steep. Last stop of the day. Then we came back and we had our bonfire, and I had to do a little speech. I guess this isn't exactly my first time traveling alone, but it's definitely been the most unique. I have met so many amazing people and truly have done like life-changing things. It's been so refreshing to be around other people who also have a very like travel and experience-minded way of wanting to live. I really also don't want to go home. I will miss all of you greatly and all the experiences, and I know they will stick with me for a very, very long time.
For people who lead the project this way, I can't say a lot of things, okay? Just would like to say safe flight and try to enjoy where you are, okay? Thank you so much for your nice week this week, okay? Thank you.
Woo!
I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna say what's wrong. You're my wonderwall, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road.
You're the last tank I'm ever gonna clean. And it's kind of gross looking, so good job. Aww. Aww. I'm gonna miss you guys. Hi. Aww.
Let's find a good place, huh? So many.
What colors do you have?
Blue, white, yellow.
Hey, it's up. Get some space
You
now.
can definitely.
Oh, guys, new
Leave
wall.
this place, okay?
Welsh beauty.
I'm not sure.
100% Welsh beef.
Here you go, Reese. Oh, you have my phone. I was like, where?
It's right here.
Thank you.
It's okay.
You're having a field day over there.
Yeah, it's been a while since I've done
I
video
shouldn't
work.
have told you that I have a lot of space.
No.
But you have a rose, and we could make it red.
Okay. No, I'm too tired to argue, yes. Fuck it, let's do it.
Look at my sexy bike.
Oh, yeah. Look at that bike.
It's very easy to do. really with this one.
I can't even draw my name. How am I going to draw a jellyfish?
Draw the Welsh flag.
I'd love to.
You can. Someone's got a freaking English flag around the corner.
Yeah, that's easy. It's a square and a cross. I'm a dragon. How am I going to draw a dragon? I can draw a sheep.
Are you guys both yeah. Oh, you're just you're hanging out.
I'm just vibing.
I'm just vibing.
Yeah, me too. Is that?
If I could not get injured one day on this trip,
Get some close-ups of this shit.
I would just.
She's cheating.
Hey vlog.
Please get that.
I very love this bite.
Hello.
What's up?
It looks like a weird cat.
That's a good sheep. Sheep have like fluff on around them.
Don't worry about it.
Add the fluff.
Don't worry.
Please don't tell me you're gonna put red on the sheep.
Yeah, we miss roast dinners.
No, he's gonna put Reese in.
I've never had.
Reese is going to be in the sheep. That's so Welsh. Everybody's watching him do this.
You know what? He's actually done quite well given the circumstances.
That actually does kind of look like a fool. Minus the face and the body.
And the legs and the ears. Can you hold this?
Oh,
Thank you so much.
too much pressure. You said you're left-handed.
Love how Reese is a sheep.
I'm standing here doing nothing and I'm sweating.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, sure.
Bye, babies. Bye. You guys were the most active ones and have the best chance at surviving, so keep it up. Bye, Cole. You're spicy sometimes. Bye, Sport. Bye, Sleepy. You're welcome for your queen tank today. Bye, Mochi. Even though you can never actually see me because you're blind. Bye, friend. Bye, Chunky. Bye. Bye, Nelson. Bye, Effie.
I'm allergic with dogs.
Bye. Bye.
Me, Riley, Reagan, and Shri took the boat over to Bali. Went to our hotel for the night, Jani's place cottage, and then we went to get tattoos, which is something that Reagan, Riley, and I had been talking about since literally the first day. Intro week, first day, we were like, we should get tattoos.
It's honestly not bad. Yeah. I have a tattoo. But yeah, you're gonna have to tell us all the rules. Because we're responsible women. And then you're gonna have to name it. Dude. That's incredible. Like, it gotta. You wanna see it? Yeah. Oh jeez. Wow. Oh my gosh, I love it. Love it, guys. Yes.
And the weight is on my arm. I can hold it flat, and then if I turn my arm like this, I can still see it. I did it like that on purpose. His head's facing out. The turtle's like out exploring, not just like in towards myself, like out looking at the world kind of thing.
Gordon Ramsay's restaurant. This is the cutest thing.
First official meal of the day. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm never waiting for a meal that long again in my entire life. I had donuts, and then I had ice cream.
Half a cookie, I guess.
Yeah, half a cookie, and that's it. McDonald's has literally never tasted better in my entire life. Nadia met me at the airport and we walked like 9 miles. I had a 9-hour layover yesterday. I was gonna just walk around Singapore by myself, but I'm so glad that I know someone from Singapore so that I can just hang out. I don't think there's been a day in like 2 weeks that I haven't gotten ice cream. Got the Canopy Bridge ticket because I couldn't do that when I was in Singapore before because it was too early in the morning. That was a 7-hour flight from Singapore to Tokyo. I have a credit card that lets me get into airport lounges. So I've been here all day. I'm gonna push 2 armchairs together and take a nap because I did not sleep very much on the plane. Last night, tonight, and the next night are on planes. So I'm going to be dead come Monday morning when I actually get back to Minnesota. These are more bruises and scarring from traumatic incident. As my scabs and scars are healing, all the bruises are showing up because there's bruises underneath every single one of them. Look tie-dyed. It's really fun. So I have like 4 more hours here, and then I have a 12-hour flight to LA. 12-hour layover in LA. I live Sunday twice, actually. On my flight tonight, we're gonna cross the international date line, and then when I land in LA, it'll be Sunday morning again, which is kind of cool. Oh my gosh, today is Sunday, and then tomorrow, Sunday. Yeah, so tomorrow's Sunday. My flight from LA to Minnesota is at 11:50 p.m. and I arrive in Minnesota at 5:30 a.m. I need to sleep. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's been a crazy couple of weeks. It's been a trip that has literally changed my life. Subscribe so you can see the next video.